Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the Marriott Marquis San Diego Marina in Executive Corner Suite 841. So we're on the 8th floor corner suite, and we happen to be in the South Tower. This particular property is really close to the gas lamp district. It's right on the bay. And the views are spectacular, so I highly suggest this room. It is a narrow and kind of low room, so that's the angle we've got today, but we'll do our best to give you a tour. So you walk in, you have your workspace and living room. This room does have a room that adjoins to it, so you could always ask for that. Coffee maker with, coffee and tea. And so the bedroom's a little small. We have a suitcase out here just to have extra space in there. So this room does have a separate bedroom that closes off, and then a living room area with a second TV, a workspace. Under the TV, the right side is drawers and the left side is a mini fridge. And then you have a great balcony. Not all the rooms have balconies, but a lot of them do. The big convention center is right behind this building, so if you have anything going on there, this is a great location for you. And then that off in the distance is a concert venue. That is the North Tower. Hi. So again, we're at the Marriott Marquis San Diego Marina. You're in walking distance to a lot of amazing places in the San Diego area. The bedroom is kind of small, but it's a nice sacrifice to have it separated from the living room. So if one person wants to get up in the morning early or stay up late, they're not bothering the other person. So you have a second TV and more storage, a view of the other tower. And from this room, you get a view off to the northeast. And from here, you're kind of in walking distance of some of the marine museums and the aircraft carrier and even some of the cruise ships. On the other side of the closet is where you have a safe and a little bit of storage. I believe the sofa is a pull-out sofa, and those are the extra linens for it. And then the toilet and shower room is also small, but it is separate. It's got an easy pull down screen, and these are your views from this room, which are pretty amazing. You'll see a lot of naval vessels and yachts and fun things go by, so. Okay, so there you have it. This is the 1-bedroom executive corner suite in the South Tower of the Marriott Marquis San Diego Marina. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. We do get back to them as soon as we get notified and are happy to accommodate any questions. We are trying to build our channel, so we would love you to subscribe, especially if this was helpful to you in any way and helps with your trip planning. And thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo, and have a nice time in San Diego.